This video is processing the stabilized wood that I ordered. Thank you for the wonderful stabilized wood. Emma Wote. I will list his Twitter account in the summary column. I ordered purple and blue this time. I can't stop pounding from opening. This is purple and blue. Okay, let's start. First, determine the center point of the wood. Set to light. Sharpen the gouge. Stabilized wood is very hard, so sharpen it well. If you cut it too much, it may be chipped greatly. Apply the gouge carefully little by little. Scrape this so that it becomes a sphere. There is a hole in this part. So leave it and cut it off later. Great color and grain. Mark the center of the circle. Set on the lathe again. Make the necessary indentation for fixing. This will determine the height of the cut. This gouge is also carefully sharpened. By using good gouge, stabilized wood can be cut cleanly. Be careful as the handle rotates at high speed. At first, it is easy to catch, so scrape carefully. It's a tough job because it's very hard compared to normal wood. is a difficult task to clean the inside. Stabilized wood flies a lot of fine dust. Protective glasses are a must. Polish with sandpaper. I will process the handle part. Draw a line in the center so that it is symmetrical. After fixing firmly, excise it using drilling machine. By using a drilling machine, it can be processed into a beautiful left-right symmetry. Cut off the excess. Make a hole for the handle. It affects the overall balance, design, and usability. Shape with belt sander. Be sure to wear a dust mask. Evenly thins the mouthpiece. Make the mouth feel like a glass cup. Form carefully so that the base of the handle is also smooth. Carefully scrape the parts that cannot be scraped with belt sander. Cut off the edge of the holes with a knife. It will make your work easier after this. From here on, it's the most plain and hard work. Polish it using sandpaper. Carefully polish the entire surface so that there are no scratches. It's a daunting task, but it affects the finish the most. Flatten the bottom. Be careful not to damage the polished body. Finally, sharpen the handle so that it touches the ground at the same time. Perfect. Press the stamp. It's time for the long-awaited painting. I like this moment the most. A fantastic wood grain emerges on the cup that has been painstakingly polished. It's a beautiful deep purple color. It reminds me of a microcosm. This is a beautiful blue like the earth seen from the sky. Multiple coats are applied to increase strength and luster. Thank you for watching. And thank you very much. Emma Wote.